Hello family and friends, welcome back to Travelers Fun. Kado ka back mantame ingding phokebra isi Karbi Rusunim Soronga je kado marathon pazirlo. Lasonone likedo taralangso Karbi people sola long satolo. Lasonone litum nangleto hana paklang nampo Nothengpi arlo. Koan kalang mema koan kado event ma. Hola nelido nangletum thailong lo laga Nothengpi lo. Lasonon bangke aprangan langnam sina. Nasi dam de aprang tiket enak podi. Koan lagi sih?
Per head 40.
Per head 40. Lalu leprang 40 rupees tiket enang pojo. Lasi alon dopik jo. Karbi Rusunim Soronga je boleh nanti pendeng sumpot pense. Anu tin menang lang lo. Kasih lang langnam sina Nothengpi. Lasi lahan lo jo Nothengpi. Hello family and friends. Welcome back to Travelers Fun from 51st edition of Karbi Youth Festival. Right now I'm here from Taralangso and you can see behind me that is Nothengpi. So this is a museum. Now let's go inside. Really this place is very beautiful. So this is Nothengpi Karbi Heritage Museum. So let's go. So now this is an entrance gate. We will go this and then we can go up also. Welcome. So this is the history of Nothengpi. So actually what Nothengpi means, that is called Nothengpi, earring. Nothengpi pura telah jo anu along. Lahan lo jo Nothengpi along. Asin lo. So this is Karbi traditional dance. Nono bangke langsung langdam sina. Lahan lo jo nang letum jong se Nothengpi arlu bang long lelang polo tante Nothengpi arlu lapuson hen lo. Lahan lo jo labang ke entrance view. So right now planetarium construction is going on there, and that is the departmental exhibition center, and that is the parking lot. under this Samson singing this stage. Here there are about 5 mega stage here, and you can see the side. The side is the helipad.